Say hi, Mimi. Michaela. Say hi,
not
Mimi.
Cheese. Say hi, Mimi, not cheese.
Say hi, Mimi.
Hi, Mimi.
Hi, Papa.
Hi, Papa.
Hi, Mammy.
Hi, Mary.
I love you.
Hi, you.
Mwah.
Put that on the internet.
Give him hugs and kisses. Hugs. You want to tell him anything?
Yeah.
What do you want to tell him?
Papa there.
Huh?
Papa there.
Papa's in there?
Yeah.
Where's Papa?
There.
In your book? Go get your book. Bring it over here.
Look at that movie.
Okay, go over there and read it. Why? Are you done? Say bye-bye, Mimi, Papa, and Mammy. Tell them bye-bye.
No.
You gotta tell them bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Huh? Bye, Mimi, Papa, Mammy.